Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today we're making vegetable spring rolls. These vegan, gluten-free rolls are a delicious and fresh snack. There's no cooking involved in this recipe. All you'll need is some boiling water. I'm also making an amazing peanutty sauce. So let's get right into it. See the description below for a list of ingredients. I've prepared all of my vegetables. My cucumbers and avocado have been chopped. My carrots and cabbage have been peeled with a vegetable peeler to make them nice and thin. And I've got some butter lettuce and some lovely herbs to go inside our rolls. I like to squeeze lemon juice on my avocado so it stays bright and green. Put 1 portion of your vermicelli rice noodles into a large bowl. Top with hot water. Make sure the noodles are fully covered and give them a gentle wiggle to help them absorb the water. Set those aside and let's get started on our peanutty sauce. Into our bowl, grate 1 clove of fresh garlic. Add in a 1/4 cup of smooth peanut butter, a tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and just a small squirt of sriracha. If you like it spicy, you can add a little more. Stir until it's nice and smooth, and add a few tablespoons of water to thin it out. Drain your rice noodles and rinse them with cold water. Your rice paper will have a shiny side and a rough side. The shiny side will go down and the rough side is where you want your vegetables to sit so that it all sticks together when you roll it up. The great thing about using rice paper is as it dries, it almost seals itself, so it's a perfect little compartment, easy to pick up and eat. Submerge your rice paper in warm water for about 20 to 30 seconds or until the texture starts to change and it becomes soft. Lay your rice paper down on your work surface and start filling with all of those vegetables. I like to start with my lettuce and then my noodles, and then fill them as you like. You've got so many options for your fillings here. You can add in some chicken or some tofu. Mr. Editor loves prawn or shrimp in his, but if you're keeping them vegetarian or vegan, leave those out. The rice paper stretches slightly, so start pulling those vegetables towards you as you pull the back of the rice paper over the vegetables. Once you've got that first fold, tuck in your edges and continue rolling all the way up. Don't worry about little tears, the rice paper will hold itself together. I'll show you one more time. Lay your vegetables down, tuck them in with your fingers as you roll the back of the paper up, tuck your edges in, and continue rolling. Slice your roll in half and enjoy! Check out another recipe just here. And if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe just down here. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a comment down below, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.